Hey everybody, it's Erin with Cornell Studio Supply, and we are covering workshop number 5, Mastering the Potter's Wheel by Ben Carter is the book. The potter that came was indeed Ben Carter. There we go, there's his earthenware red. Nice jug there. This is his finished work at the time. Now, this was a while ago. I think it was 2017, actually. But he uses earthenware red, slips it, uses colored slip decoration, and then you can see the beautiful line work that goes into accentuating his pieces. There's a couple more that are up on the bisque shelf for you to come take a look at if you wanted to. Right? There we go. And his finished piece, great handles. Look at that. Isn't that just, it's just exquisite. I love using this mug. It's just a wonderful teacup mug. All right. If you don't have this book, you need to get it. CornellStudioSupply.com. Small discount code, I believe. But it's fabulous. Look at this. Throwing off the hump. Just more pieces. Oh, there's Naomi. Hi, Naomi. So anyway, get this book if you don't have it. Make sure when we do start doing workshops again, you come. Best workshops in the world. This was the first fully hands-on. We threw some pieces. You guys decorated them. Those little wine cups that we use at the shop now. For our workshops. So anyway, hope you all are staying safe. If you need something tangible to look at, this is it. This is truly it. Ben Carter, everybody. Get it.